What's up guys, take a new video. In this today we're going to take a look at the Volcano Bluetooth speakers. Sadly the Blast Plus didn't work at arrival, so today we're only going to look at the Bullet Plus and the Blast XL. We'll start with an audio sample, so let's get right into it. We'll start with this one and then we go to the bigger brother. So after an audio test I can definitely say that the small speaker and the big speaker perform very well. This one does very well on loudness and even very clear audio. The bigger Volcano speaker, the Blast XL, is a little bit more on the bass side, so you do get some bass response. It has pretty big drivers inside. So yeah, overall power output is very good. And to be honest, they aren't very too heavy, so they're very easy to take with you. And yeah, I'm really not very disappointed about the speakers. I didn't expect much about them because the price is very high. And maybe they could have used maybe some kind of EQ mode. So they maybe could like reduce or boost the bass in some scenarios. But overall the tuning is very fine on the speakers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys around.